Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to import your images right inside Blender. So what you need to do is to quickly go to your pictures and label them if you have about 4 different pictures. Alright, so I will look for my folder where I have my pictures. I'll quickly label them according to the size. So I will label this the bottom or the down, then I'll do down, then I'll label this top, alright, so I'll label this other one the back, and I'll quickly do the same for the side. So quickly after that, I'll jump right inside Blender, press my Shift A, then select my pictures according to the angles I want them. So I'll press numpad 7 to switch to another side, then I will select and import the top view. Then I'll press num 7 and then go back to my image background. So remember, I do select based on the faces I want it to show. So now I have my bottom, the down part. Alright, so I will do, now I have everything set in place and I'm ready to model. So remember, do well to like, subscribe, share, and drop in your comments if you have any. Alright, see you next time.